Today I'm going to show you how to set up a NetFlow Traffic Analyzer alert. From the NetFlow Traffic Analyzer summary, we can select the type of traffic we want for the alert. In this case, we probably don't want BitTorrent traffic on our network. So I'll expand BitTorrent. I will select one of the routers, and I will select the circuit in question. For this particular alert, we're going to be looking for BitTorrent traffic through the New York router using this fast Ethernet interface. So we'll create the flow alert, give it a name, select a severity when any traffic is over 100K, and let us know using the last 5 minutes of flow data, and then create the alert. And that's how you create a NetFlow Traffic Analyzer alert. Looking for more information on this topic? The SolarWinds Customer Success Center provides all the information you need to install, troubleshoot, and optimize your SolarWinds products. Visit the SolarWinds Customer Success Center.